On this path, let's travel. Only God has the gavel. On this path, let's travel. Only God has the gavel. Took the path, let's travel. Mileage on my feet through the dirt and the gravel. Pocket full of stones and some lint that I can handle. Young wild niggas getting turned into examples. But I made it. I say I made it. Shit. That's what I've been doing lately. Less calls and texts is kinda crazy. I'm just saying I'm aware, but it don't faze me. My approach is without a destination. A go-getter's ambition can relate with pursuing what you want until you capture it. Gotta get that picture right, then you capture it. I'm a mind freak. I don't take days off, no time sheet. I don't give fake facts, no concrete. What can calm me? Just a matter of facts, no platters of this and that. Music's home, where can I place my hat? That I traded in for a crown and some hen. Crown me, I'm a king amongst men. Judge me, with your life without sin. Backwards ass niggas, you sink when you swim. Pay attention to illustration I'm making. To fill the void you padded in the day is still vacant. Yeah, I'm back on, I never fell off. I still recorded, my mic was just off. That's a mental no, view the world through a microscope. That mean I see the bigger picture with one eye closed. Fresh start goes well with a fresh beat. And that music out now don't impress me. All over the place, no direction. All in one take, no perfection. Done with no love, just a profession. It's some bullshit, just a confession. Keep it going, aight, that's a suggestion. Leave me scratching my head, I got some questions. Did you give your all? Was that your best? Did you give your feedback some interest? Did you actually take the time to write that? And are you really sure you grabbed the right pad? There I go, I'm just thinking aloud. Probably speaking for the crowd that been tired a while. Niggas tryna take that long race the short way. Ain't no shortcuts, just shortcomings. Genuine music is when you forthcoming. The last days are never a rebirth's coming. Genuine music is when you forthcoming. The last days are never a rebirth's coming. Yeah. Soul Spitter.